Hi everyone, my name is Mahmood Sheikh and welcome back to Unix Shell Programming Tutorial Series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell script which will make the sum of each and every digit of a number. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. As you can see here, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter any number. Now let us suppose user has entered 234, then your program needs to make the sum of each and every of this digit, that is 2 plus 3 plus 4, and you should get 9 for this input. Okay, so to get this output, first we need to create a variable with the name as sum, and we need to initialize a value 0. Okay, the sum will get stored inside this sum variable. Okay, now we have the number 234. Okay, now we need to target each and every of this digit. So first I will try to access this number 4. So to access the number 4 of this number 234, I will go for finding out the remainder of this number. So I will find out the remainder. Remainder is equals to 234 mod 10, and I will get 4 as the remainder. Okay, now we have got the remainder as 4. Now I will add this remainder with sum plus remainder, that is sum is 0 plus 4, and I will get 4. So sum now becomes 4. Okay, next I will go for reducing this number 234 to 23. So to does that, I will divide this number by 10. 234 by 10, and I will get 23. Now the num gets changed to 23. Earlier it was 234. Now next again I need to perform this step of finding out the remainder with the new value of num, that is 23. So how long I need to repeat these three steps? Until the value of num becomes 0. Num becomes 0. Okay, so until and unless the value of num is greater than 0, I need to perform these three steps. When the value of num becomes 0, then this condition becomes false, control comes out from the while loop, and we will be printing out the output. So we will use while here. Okay, now we have seen the first iteration where the value of num was 234, and at the end of the first iteration the value of num gets changed to 23. So and at the end of the first iteration we have got the sum as 4, and the value of num, which is 234, gets changed to 23. Again control goes back to while, where the value of num is 23. 23 is greater than 0, condition true. Control comes inside the while to find out the remainder. So now the value of num is 23 mod 10, and we will get 3 as the remainder. Now I will add this 3 with our sum 4. That's what I'm doing here. Sum plus remainder. So remainder is 3. Okay, and sum is 4. 4 plus 3, and we will get 7. Okay, now sum becomes 7. Now num was 23. Num was 23. So I will reduce this 23 to 2 by dividing it by 10. 23 by 10, and I will get 2. Okay, next now num becomes 2. Again control goes back to while, where the num gets changed to 2. So 2 is greater than 0. Yes, condition becomes true. Control comes inside the while loop to find out the remainder 2 mod 10, and I will get 2 as the remainder. Next I will add this remainder with the sum value. So sum is 7. So sum is 7 plus remainder is 2. 7 plus 2, and I got 9. Okay, now we have got our output 9. Now num was 2, right? 2 by 10, and we will get the output in terms of 0. Okay, now the num value becomes 0, so control goes back to while loop where the condition gets checked. 0 is greater than 0, no, condition becomes false. Control will not go inside the while, control comes out from the while loop to print the value of sum, that is 9. Okay, so this is the logic for finding the sum of every digit of a number. So now I will write down this logic in the form of a shell program. So I will start with the very first statement, that is shebang hash. Now I'll ask the user to enter the number. Read -p, let us say the name of the variable is num. Next, I need to initialize sum to 0, and I need to start a while num is greater than 0. Do I need to find out the remainder, dollar num mod 10, then I need to find the sum, dollar sum plus remainder, and I need to reduce the number, change the value of num by 10. Done. Now I need to print the value of sum. Echo sum is dollar sum. Okay, and at the end you will get the output as sum is 9 for this given input 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is what the concept behind finding the sum of each and every digit of a number. I hope you guys have understood this concept. That's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.